After that, we can make sure there is enough memory on our servers by typing Ansible misc-a free-m in double quotes. As I said, Ansible works with modules. When installing Ansible, the user will also receive a very handy set of modules. If you want to find out more about how some specific module is used, you can use the ansible-doc command followed by the name of the module. Let's check apt module. We'll type ansible-doc apt, and we can read about the necessary options. For example, name, we have to specify the name of the package we want to install with apt. State, we can choose is it latest, absent or present. We can specify apt-date underscore cache. This will run the equivalent of apt-get update command before the operation of installing some specific package. Or upgrade option, it will run the equivalent of the apt-get upgrade, and it could be used with safe, full or dist choices. For example, full will perform an aptitude full upgrade. If you want to list all the available modules, you can use the -l option. Let's type ansible-doc-l. And as you can see, Ansible default installation comes with lots and lots default out-of-the-box modules.